Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to quickly insert multiple images into Google Sheets, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to organize your images neatly inside your spreadsheet cells, perfect for tracking products, creating visual lists, or just making your Google Sheets pop with a bit of color and personality. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to have your Google Sheet open and ready to go. Now to insert an image, you'll want to look up at the top menu and click on Insert. This will reveal a drop-down menu, and here, where the magic starts, hover your mouse over Image and you'll see a couple of options. Make sure you select Insert Image in Cell. That's a crucial detail. If you simply insert an image over the cells, it'll float above your table, which isn't what we want. By choosing In Cell, the image gets anchored right inside the cell, just like regular data. This way, if you sort or move things around, your images will move right along with their associated data. It's a small choice, but makes a big difference in how things stay organized. Now, once you click that, you'll get a prompt to upload your image. Take your time here, find the right file from your computer. Maybe it's some product photos, maybe a logo, maybe even some icons for a school project. Select your image and Google Sheets will do its thing and upload it into the cell you had selected. Sometimes, depending on your internet speed or the image size, it might take a moment or two, so don't worry if you see a little loading bar. Here where it gets really efficient. After your first image appears in the cell, you'll notice a small blue dot or handle at the bottom right corner of that cell. This is just like when you copy a formula or data, a little trick in spreadsheets. Click and drag that handle down or across to neighboring cells and voila, the same image will be automatically inserted into each new cell as you drag. This saves you loads of time compared to inserting each one manually, especially if you're building out a long list. Think of it like stamping your image across a whole row or column with just one movement. If you realize you want different images in each cell, you can repeat the upload process, selecting different photos each time. But for quick duplication, that drag handle is a lifesaver. And a quick pro tip: if any image looks squished or doesn't fit quite right, you can always adjust your row height or column width so the images display nicely. There's no harm in experimenting a bit here until everything looks just how you want it. And that's it, you've just learned how to efficiently insert multiple images right into your Google Sheets cells. It might seem simple, but organizing visuals in this way can completely change how you present and understand your information. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any roadblocks, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help you out. For more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. See you in the next video.